College Fibro, Kijimtip Namta Result, Kibapinmi Hapo, official website, Jonk MPSC, Kibapinmi Mentakasi, Artrik, October, Arjar Fly. Take it on Artrik result, Kibapinmi Mentakasi, Hapo, official website, Jonka MPSC, Meglia Public Service Commission, Kaway Kade Jonka Junior Engineer Grade 1, Matkaway Kade Jonka LDA, Lower Division Assistant, in Meglia Public Service, December 2021. Then the result of the screening test to the post of lower division assistant in the Meghalaya Public Service Commission December 2021 kabade jong arjar fuik exam part kadai arpo trik jumai me arjar fly is hereby declared the candidate bearing the following roll number are declared to have qualified for the personal interview. Kini kadai dang taka written exam mo kiba pass ikatu qualified taken poi shaka interview. Teki candidate kini roll number kiba mi hangni in poi shaka personal interview. Ars pak nyop khandai, syajar ars pak khandai khandai, syajar nyos pak lai phalai, harjar pak lai phoi, nyohajar lai pak rupsan, prajar pak lai pho ar, pranyo arnyo, khandai not san, khandai lai pra, way not lai san, way ar sa way ar ru way sao, way ar khandai ru sao. Itang kini kiba qualified nam taka personal interview. The personal interview will be held on the 31st October 2020. Live poetry October ka personal interview nam takanik post at 10:30 AM in the office of the Meghalaya Public Service Commission. Candidate bearing the above roll number are to download their intimation letter from the commission website. Kini ki sa check ki roll number jong pi la pi don em kini ki roll number lai la pi don keteng jong pi check hapo ka official website ban download ikra ka intimation letter ban check ka personal interview. Desa kawai pat kepada jongka kini pada kadai jongka junior engineer. The result of the screening test to the post of junior engineer grade 1 civil under public health engineering department PHE and junior engineer in the housing department July 2019. Post penmi arja khandai ke exam ki tho ar khandai April arja apply is hereby declare. Tekine ki number gila pani hangne ki dai ki ba qualify nam taka personal interview. Khandai so khandai khnai pho khnai sao it ruwe we nyo we khnai nyo ar not ar aso san asan reu an rupho ar nyo reu lai sao ar lai pra lai sao we lai sao lai pra sao nyo pra so pra pho so khnai phan reu san ar pra san rupho san khnai sao ru not pra ru khat we ru lai ru nyo ru khnai we nyo not sao nyo pra nyo khnai reu pra not we pra not reu pra lai sao pra lai reu pra lai nyo pra sao pho pra reu pra ar khnai not nyo khnai we lai khnai we san khnai lai nyo khnai sao nyo khnai san lai khnai san reu khnai san pra khnai reu nyo we not khat we. Ini ki qualify nam taka personal interview. Ini ki roll number second mau badai kini ki roll number. The personal interview will be held on the 3rd, 7, 8 and 9 November 2023. Kidan sao tali ki sngi tarik te kin sa divide laga jong kadon lai tarik nyo tarik pra tarik ba khnai tarik November arja fly at 10:30 AM in the Meghalaya Public Service in the office of the Meghalaya Public Service Commission. The candidate ki badon ikte ki number sa download na official website pin sa tip la pide ka lai tarik na ka nyo tarik na ka pra tarik na ha khnai tarik nam taka personal interview. Etang ini ki jumtip close bun.